What's up, guys? This is Cody, Apple Kid 617 here, and I have a thing about how to clean your Apple Classic screen. And what I have in this packaging right here, I got some, that might be a giveaway, Lagoon. That's just an Apple screen that I got. And then, a couple microfibers. So, this is how to clean your Apple Classic cleaner with this Walmart cleaner. So here we go. Boom. Just squirt it once, and you should grab. Hold on. In my room. Right there. Hold on. Yes. Gosh, man.
4 reasons not to drive a small car. Ready? Four girls with nice boobies, and they're going to find the next car. That's only 50.
Oh. I get it now. What's up, people? I am back, and that was how to clean it. If you guys don't watch it, here you go again. That's the microfiber, and you just clean it like that. Dude, that should work. And this is Cody 617. Apple Kid 617 here with a bunch of Apple products. A whole lot of stuff for you guys, and right there, that might be a giveaway, so I might have a giveaway for you guys. And I have a review for you guys, so put that aside. Put all of these back in here. The Lagoon certificate, a great giveaway bag. And then this is my giveaway stuff, Lagoon Pass, an iPod Touch, which is charging right now for you guys. Some cases right there. And one of your favorites, a PSP Go. Some of that might be a giveaway. Put all this stuff back in here. Along with this wallet, the Fox. So just comment on Apple Kid, iPod, and then you comment. And for this one, you put Lagoon single day pass discount, and then you comment Apple Kid. And then this one, Griffin Case Apple Kid. And then this one would not be a giveaway. It's 160. So just letting you guys know about it. And then that's also just letting you guys know. Peace out.